What's up everyone? Welcome back to the Vegan Test Kitchen. Today we are making a spread to end all spreads. We are making Nutella, or Not-Tella. As you probably know, the traditional Nutella is not vegan, so we're making our own. Screw them. Let's do it. All the ingredients that you need are listed below. Let's get started. Now, one of the things you're gonna need is the hazelnut. You're gonna need a little over a cup. They said actually a generous cup. These aren't roasted though, so I'm going to toast them in the skillet right over there. And we'll start on everything else. I suggest you do the same. We're gonna toast these just until they're fragrant, not burnt. Oh no. I can't believe I just did that. You know what, come to think of it, I think these probably were roasted, just judging by the color. But we're gonna roast them a little bit more, because that's what we do here. I think we've roasted those enough. I don't know why I thought I could do this without making a mess. Fun fact, hazelnuts, also known as filberts, are the official state nut of Oregon. And the hazelnut is one of the few crops that actually blossoms and pollinates in the winter. Ain't no stopping this nut. There you go. All right, now what we're gonna do is chop these up in our food processor. So throw them in there. Now you just wanna pulse this a few times just until it starts getting oily and gunky, then scrape it off the sides. If you can't find hazelnut extract, then get some liqueur from the liqueur store. Hazelnut extract, vanilla extract, confectioner sugar, and cocoa powder. Now we're gonna blend this until a crumbly mixture forms. Now you wanna make sure you take lots of breaks and scrape it down the side because you don't want it to stick to everything. You want everything to incorporate. Now, once you're to the point of a crumbly mixture, you're gonna put in your powdered soy milk and about 4 to 5 tablespoons of peanut oil or hazelnut oil. And then we're gonna keep pulsing and scraping, pulsing and scraping, pulsing and scraping until it gets to a thick fudge mixture. All right, I think we're there, but we're not done. You're gonna continue to add 1 tablespoon at a time of peanut oil until you're to a consistency that's spreadable and that's perfect for you. And if it's not sweet enough, you can add like a teaspoon or 2 of sugar as you go along. All right, let's try it. I couldn't think of a better thing to put this delicious hazelnutty spread on than strawberries. Oh. So I have to tell you a secret. I've never had Nutella. But this is exactly what I would think it would taste like. It's sweet, it's not a dark chocolate. It's kind of a mixture between a dark and like a milk type chocolate. But this would be good on toast. This is just great. I'm a huge fan. I will have to say that this is definitely better than Nutella, even though I've never had it. I'm sure it is, because it's delicious. And this is gonna go great in a crepe. Never made a crepe before? Well, you're in luck, because we're making those soon, so stay tuned. Hope y'all enjoyed this. I sure did. This is delicious, and it's not hard, so you should make it at home and eat it all, but not in one sitting. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and share and comment and all that good stuff. I will see you all next time.